Why making a video on YouTube every single week sucks? Here is what I've learned over the last year, making a YouTube video every single week and wanting somebody in the future to tell me what it's like a year from now and what sort of stuff I'm going to get annoyed at. Let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go. So if you've just found this and you're wondering, should I start a channel and tell everybody about my amazing news and what I know? Here is how much suck you will have to put up with to live your dream. Number one, on making a YouTube video every single week that really sucks. Putting on your hair and flipping makeup and not sitting around in your pajamas. Putting on your fake eyelashes, ones that look like spiders' legs, and having to do all your hair and it still looks like seaweed. But I've noticed sometimes I make that as an excuse not to do the video, so keep an eye on that one. There's a guy on YouTube who I love, Goose Wayne. Goose Wayne is hilarious and actually got me doing these videos because he ain't a pretty bunny. He's got completely bald all the way to the top and he's got this big shaggy hair. And I thought, if everybody likes him and I love him, then it's not really about your hair, is it? Or your face, or you haven't got big boobies. Although that helps, not me. Second sucky thing about making YouTube videos every single week that nobody flipping watches, it's like staring into the abyss. Got this dream, this magical dream that you're going to be some sort of content creator online. And you don't even know why you do it because you don't even care what people think about you. You're literally making video after video after video, putting all the time and effort, and then nobody watches the video. It just sits there dormant with 12 views and 7 of them are you checking the editing and 3 of them are from your mum. And even she unfollowed you. Third sucky thing about making YouTube videos every week is seeing your family and friends and them saying, how's your channel going? And you don't know what to tell them because you don't get any views yet. But listen to me, you will start getting them after 50 videos, which is basically a whole year of doing videos for nothing. And then it feels slightly more bearable. When you have to make a video a week, you try to look professional. You see the content creators that do these productions. They don't have a spare wall behind them. They've got fake plants and beautiful backlit cork boards. You'll end up using a back wall because the whole rest of your house looks like this. Look at this mess. Can't do it there, can I? Oh yeah, this looks like a perfect professional environment. If you like these tips, just hit like and subscribe and I'll keep wasting my time making them for people that I don't even know are going to show up. And the main other thing you will hate about doing a video every single week is that you have to put your makeup on, edit, check the sound, sync the sound, upload, waste your time doing it because nobody watches. Also on top of that, you have to make shorts from the same video or separate shorts, just to hopefully get somebody keen to watch you. Here's the point of why you have to carry on. Even if everything sucks, after 50 shows, it will get better for you. You'll start to have people interacting with you, saying how wonderful your videos are and how that you've really helped them, clawing your way through the algorithm. But at least you're doing your dream. You can go back when you're 90 years old on your deathbed and you can think, that was a waste of time, but at least you did it. And if you want a puppet to start with, then go to Puppets, spelled Pubbets. They're the ones that sponsored these videos, and go to there. They're good enough to go out as a professional kids entertainer when you're starting off. And they are such good quality and the most affordable puppets. So set yourself just a limit of 2 years. 2 years of doing a video every single week and then see what happens. Now, if you're just about to make a video a week and you're just starting out, I've got something that I've taken, edited, and really helped me at the start that I got from some other YouTuber. It's my version of it. It's basically what things are going to help you keep on track to do a video a week. Top tips and also a check sheet on what you need to have ready to do your video. So have a look below, comment below, YouTube sucks check sheet, and I will give it to you, my friends, so you don't have to wear the same scarf. Now, if you want to know what I learned in the whole year of doing YouTube videos, have a look over here because I tell you exactly what I learned. I tell you my views, my subscribers right now, and how many videos I've put out. Thank you, bye.